Welcome to day 17 of the Illuminate Your Soul Goals 21-day alignment adventure. We're deep into week 3, build momentum, where every small step builds the energy you need to create the future you've been dreaming of. If you're just tuning in now, start here and then go back to watch the intro video and days 1 to 16. Each video is designed to give you one micro action a day to stack your wins and align with your soul goals. Today we're focusing on releasing a limiting belief. Here's the truth. The stories we tell ourselves, they can either fuel us forward or hold us back. A limiting belief is simply a thought you've repeated so many times, but it feels like the truth. It might sound like, I'm not good enough. I don't have what it takes. I can't succeed because insert the reason. I'm too old, I'm too young, I'm too fat, I'm too thin, I'm not fit enough, I'm not experienced, I don't have the skills, I'm too busy, I don't have enough money, one of my favorites, but that's not who I am, that's just not me. But these beliefs aren't facts, they're just stories. And today, we're going to rewrite your story. Here's your micro action for today. Write down one limiting belief that's been holding you back, then replace it with a new empowering belief. For example, if your belief is, I'm not good enough, replace it with, I am more than enough exactly as I am. If your belief is, I always fail, replace it with, every step I take teaches me and moves me closer to success. The act of writing it down and replacing it is powerful. It shifts the energy and opens the door for a new possibility. Remember, the beliefs you choose to hold shape the reality you experience. Today, choose a belief that empowers you. If you haven't already, grab your free one-page tracker here at theglobalbutterfly.com/free-tracker. Use it to track each small win as you continue this 21-day adventure. Want more reflection prompts and exercises like this? Download your bonus playbook here at theglobalbutterfly.com/goal-tracker-playbook. Again, the links are down below. Are you ready to take this work to the next level? The live 5-day soul goal mapping challenge starts January the 20th to 24th this year in 2025. In this deeper dive, we'll explore levels of consciousness to uncover hidden blocks, rewrite patterns that have been keeping you stuck, create a soul-aligned action plan to move forward with clarity and ease. Spots are limited, so join now. Sign up here on this link, theglobalbutterfly.com/soul-goal-mapping-challenge. The link is also down below. You are not your beliefs. You're the one who gets to choose them. Let me know in the comments or tag me using the Illuminate Your Soul Goals hashtag. What's one limiting belief you're ready to release today? Take this moment to set yourself free. I'll see you tomorrow for day 18.